Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Welcome to Warda's Cuisine. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share my video. If you already subscribed my channel, don't forget to share, like and give your precious comment on my video. Today we're going to start with the easy and quick recipe of a flatbread, tortillas and mango sauce. Yum yum yum. Yes. So here we have the ingredients. So in one bowl I took 5 cups of gram flour and 2 cups of wheat. 5 cups of gram flour and 2 cups of wheat. Here I take 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt according to taste. I added 3 teaspoon of salt, and here next ingredient is 1 cup of oil, and now I'm going to take 1 onion, chop the onion, 1 tomato, chop the tomato, and coriander, 1 bunch of coriander I take, or you can say 1 cup of coriander you can take. So these ingredients you can take according to your desire and requirements. Now here we have all ingredients are ready to make tortillas or flatbread of gram flour. Here I am using the dough machine. You can simply knead by your hand. So here I am going to mix the salt and the turmeric powder that I added into the 5 cups of gram flour and 2 cups of wheat. So here I mix it all. Now I am slowly and gradually adding this into the dough machine. Here I use 1 cup of water. Now start kneading the dough. Now I knead the dough a little bit soft, but not that much soft. In the end I will show you the texture of the dough. This is my family's favorite meal to eat. Please try this recipe. You will surely like it, and let me know in the comment how's your result. But before that, don't forget to subscribe. So here I'm kneading the dough. You can do this simply by your hand. So I'm just a little bit lazy, so that's why I'm using this. First we have to little bit knead the dough before adding the ingredients that we have: tomato, onions and coriander. Before that we have to just little bit knead the dough by adding 1 cup of water. Salt we already added. Now here we have the ingredient that gives the delicious taste to our tortillas or flatbread. So now I'm going to gradually add these ingredients: tomato, onion and the coriander. You can also add the mint if you like. While kneading the dough you have to add this, and here I am adding it. Now time to knead the dough. Now start kneading the dough at this point. Now you can see what happened. Oh my god, it's a moi moment. Now just back to the reality. I don't know what happened, so I just knead the dough by hand. Actually I just fill the dough machine. It's a oh. It's really funny because I just fill it over the capacity of the kneading machine, so that's why this happened. It's written at how much dough and ingredient you have to add it into the dough machine. I just fill over the capacity of the dough machine, that's why this happened. Now back to the reality. Now going to knead the dough by hand. So you can see my dough is soft over here. Now this is the texture of the dough. Now it's ready. Now you have to place it at a cold place, or you can place it in the fridge. So after 2 hours you can see I make a small balls of a yes, you are going to make small balls like this, and you can make according to your desire at how much you want your flatbread or tortillas. So here I make a balls. So you have to use it after 2 hours or 3 hours or 1 hour, but place it in the fridge, not at a warm place. So now time to roll it. Dust some wheat or the flour and start rolling it. When you roll it, it will be little bit thin, little bit thick. Our tortilla will be thick. So I'm slowly rolling it because it is very delicate. Carefully roll it with the help of the rolling pin. Slowly you have to do that because the ingredient that we added will come out. So press it slowly and start rolling it, and if it's required, dust some flour. Okay, just do this step carefully and slowly, so our tortilla will not break. Now roll it. Now it's nearly ready. Yeah, it's ready. So you can see the thickness of the tortilla or the flatbread. Like this is the thickness. You cannot make it thin. This is the thickness of the tortilla that is required. Now it's ready like this. I'm going to make 3-4 tortillas or flatbread. Now it's ready. It's done. Okay, now good, ready to go. Now my next step is that now you can see here I just roll 3 to 4 tortillas over here, flatbread. Now my mom is here in the kitchen to fry this tortilla. Now first of all, on a medium flame without the oil, you just fry this tortilla. Now after that, when it's half done, my mom used 1 tablespoon of ghee or oil you can use and apply on the tortilla, and on the medium flame you're going to cook this flatbread like this. It will start changing its color. So you can see it is thick, so it will not break, and now it's ready. Look at the color, it's really good color. So my mom is doing this. So you can see our first tortilla or flatbread is ready. Now what you have to do, you take one when you take it out from the griddle or from the pan, when you take out the tortilla, take 1 tablespoon of ghee and apply on that tortilla when it's hot, and then when your second tortilla is done, just put that tortilla on that. Now you can see that our flatbread, now our second flatbread is also ready. Now look at the color, it's done, and you can see it little bit thick, it's very soft. Now here my mom's take 1 tablespoon of ghee. It's optional, but while you making tortillas, flatbreads, ghee give very good flavor to them, so I recommend use that. Otherwise it's optional. Now you can see the second one, it's ready. Wow, it's mouth watering, yummy. Now we have to make mango sauce. I took over here 2 mangoes. Take out the pulp of the mango. Sorry, it's mango. Take out the pulp of the mangoes. Now I take 1 bunch of coriander, water, salt, and blend it with a 1/2 cup of water, or blend it in the blending jar. And here I slice the onion, 1 small onion, and add these ingredients into the mango pulp. Take 1 teaspoon of salt, and you can also add the sugar. Now mix it very well. Now our mango puree or sauce is ready to eat with the flatbread tortilla of a gram flour. It's really delicious and yummy. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.